If she falls, I got it on picture.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Run.
Now, don't go under there. Let's get her closer to the ground. Hey, let's start putting her down before you go near that thing. Let's get her near the floor before you go near it. Stay away from it. Let's start putting her down. Get her within 6 inches, then you get near it. People die from things like this. Now it's starting to get safer. Okay.
Oh, over there.
Touchdown. She's good, safe.